Hello YouTube, this is Ragnar Silverblood, and I've got another set of Magic the Gathering unboxings for the new release, Amonkhet. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I think it's Amonkhet. Amonkhet. I've got this Fat Pack. Tokens, I believe. Got the lands, 10 boosters, and a, oh, that's nice, and a D20 with the symbol on it, so that's cool. Got 10 boosters. Let's get to it. Get that down a little bit. First rare is Drake Haven. Second rare is Bounty of the Luxa. Third, we got Glyph Keeper. What was it? I noticed. Like, what is this? Oh man, I need to actually play Magic more, but looks interesting. I did get in a game, what was it, last Saturday, so but I don't get to play all that much. I recently went back to work, so Heart Piercer Manticore. That's some nice art. Work has been keeping me busy, so but no work today, so that makes me happy. Oh, there's a shiny. Hazoret's Favor is my rare, and I got a foil Weaver of the Currents. It's a uncommon. Ooh, I like it. I don't care. I think it's interesting. Oh, and another one of these upside down. Ooh, I saw a shiny. Alright, next rare is Sandworm Convergence. And I got a foil, it's a common, Slitherblade. Still, nice. Next rare is Glorybringer. This is weird. They rip at the bottom, but not at the top. No, they're not ripping at all. Next rare is Approach of the Second Sun. I have to say I like that artwork. Wow. Champion of the Honus. I like the Egyptian theme, I'm not gonna lie. This is my last pack. I got a mythic rare, Angel of Sanctions. Can't speak. But, yep. So, that was this fat pack. Angel of Sanctions. Champion of Honus. Approach of the Second Sun. Glorybringer, Sandworm Convergence, Hazaret's Favor, Heart Piercer Manticore, Glyph Keeper, Bounty of the Luxa, Drake Haven, and my two foils were a common Slitherblade and uncommon Weaver of the Currents. That was my first fat pack. Actually, they're right over there. I got another fat pack and a booster box to go through. I'll probably purchase another booster box this weekend, but I'm going to keep at it with each set that comes out, 2 fat packs, 2 booster boxes. So, thank you for watching.